There's a tale about Christmas that you've all been told, and a real famous cat all dressed up in red, and he spends the whole year working out in his sleigh.
Season's greetings and welcome to Florence Ballard A3060, home of the Hotpoint 9530A, Miele W562 washing machines and the greatest groups in the 1960s, the Supremes and the Beach Boys. This is the first kind of video I've done of one of these ever on my channel. There's a worker who wants me to test this Hoover Silent Plus HED 120W dishwasher because they want to take it, so I thought, let's make a film of my first ever dishwasher I test. Switch her on. And we'll check it really is silent. Do 360. What's R? Okay. I'll put a little dab of washing up liquid in there, literally nothing at all on there. So it's looking quite clean anyway. Shame I didn't bring a dishwasher tablet. Not too bad. Fortunately I won't really be able to see inside, but I could probably open it. I think we'll go. What was that? Pump. Right, let's switch that fan here off. That is silent actually. Won't be long. I might test that Beko. Or see if I can get hold of that Bosch. Probably won't, it's a cooker on top of it. But if something comes in the next one, then I will. It doesn't seem to be... What's 5? Yeah, hang on, let me select another cycle. Do Eco 50. Let's do Eco 50. Oh god, I didn't realise you can push them back so hard. And all the time I've ever been at BHF, this is only the second dishwasher I've ever tested. Is it trying to fill or something? I don't know what... I don't know how dishwashers function, to be honest. It's making a sort of gurgling sound though. And we'll see, we'll leave it. Hoover. There you go. We're taking water in now. It's a shame you couldn't see it inside. It is very quiet though. I can hear it taking in water. So is it heating up properly? There's a Beko one sat outside as well. We've started washing. They're line painting outside, if you can hear that. Then you can see what's going on in there. Do you know what? It's actually pretty damn quiet, that is. What program did I select again? Cycle? Oh. Eco 50. Anyone know what year this came out? Oh my god, I can smell that tarmac from here. I'll add a little bonus clip in there so you can see what's going on if you want. That's the sunstocking Beko. Notice the American spelling of program. You can open it. Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah, it is actually doing good.
Is it?
See what I've got. Are we heating yet? I don't know. Do dishwashers ever heating? I can't remember. Just checking what it's doing. It smells like gunpowder in there, basically. But I've got some footage of it outside, including chat to the guy who was really cool to chat with. So I'll put that in. Probably some unreleased bonus footage. Actually, no, I might make a thing of it. Dishwasher's nice, relaxing sound though. So the dishwasher is now onto the, what does that mean? Heating or something. If I open it, watch this. Yeah, that's definitely working. Whoa. So yes, it's working well. It's been sold as well. Can't really hear it. And that'll do the rinse, and then do the drying cycle. And the Eco 50. So doing our bit for the environment. Can't even hear it, it's that quiet. And it's clean as well. Draining the dishwasher out now. It's done really well. I'm going to plumb this Beko in now. Another Beko. So I can rearrange the hose a little bit. It's a lot of water it's trying to get out. But take a bit of time to come back on. Let me lift that up. There's pumps blocked on it, maybe. There was a little bit of debris in there, to be honest. Well, guys, that concludes the test of this Hoover Silent Plus HED 120W dishwasher. Just allowing it to dry now so it can be sold on. and that will be the Becco next. So thank you for watching, and so everyone, Merry Christmas and go with the flow.
Merry Christmas, Christmas comes this time.